Captain Planets and Wabano, look at the snails, the way we who fly our condom, and I'm dying chief for you. Eh, Nasha Momonus, the way we con, sister. Shazina Tazi. When you're more for ye, eh, Rabbi is when you're mamma man come. But baby snails, no, too, eh. Can you like this video, share and subscribe? If you see more fun to data, so please ban papa. Say busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. If you are invited. Here, brown rice. I'm pairing it with ruffle. Chief for Mrs. Snails vibes. You are all invited. Can you don't skip through this video? Fair maybe, Lizzie. I'm going to do data. I have punishment. As the other come from. Hear me the way you cook. Now, come on, sister. There. Or budget of papa. Oh, say busy, ban papa. Oh, yeah, no, that's kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, yes, ban papa. I hope you are all doing well. I'm doing very well. And again, thank you so much for watching Hilda's Kitchen. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your beautiful comments. I really appreciate them. Papa panyanko pononshon. Today's recipe, the food ideas, and it's going to be simple but very sharply. Don't keep this video to yourself. Share with all your contacts, and God bless ya. So I'm adding my chili powder. This is chili powder. Somebody will ask why the oil is, bringing some foam like bubbles, because I use this oil to fry my Ghana chips. As you know, Ghana chips contains a bit of butter, so that is the reaction. But trust me, I don't even need to add any garlic to this stew, because Ghana chips contains some garlic. It's right that is going to happen. I also na make sure na come na mzanwe mo set as for you so good all been. After 2-3 minutes, now going to add my chopped tomatoes. So today I'm using brown rice. Normally, let me say Ghanaians, we don't use brown rice. Nigerians like brown rice. They call it easy cook rice. It's a bit less starch. So when you are using it, you may think enya papa, but it's very good and it's very healthy. We sometimes eat a lot of brown rice over here. So today I'm going to pair that with my chief for papa bi na mama boa jude sa oyezi ban papa. So I've washed the rice very well. As you can see, it's been washed. Where are my fellow Nigerians? Come for your sister Hilda Wate. Today, dear, I'm traveling all the way to Niger. Papa baby, as you are come for you know sister. Oh good, Papa baby enterprise. Oh yezy ban papa. This is my spice blend. Oh yezy ban papa. I've got some magic here. Snails. This is smoked one. Buy some from Hilda's Kitchen. Buy your smoked snails from Hilda's Kitchen. Papa baby. Asaman oyen to boasie. Nyaguna iye mui binina. Mitsuguna pampa ma sister Jay. Orokodo. Don't skip through the video. Share this video. Like, leave your nice comments. Support Hilda's Kitchen channel. No grow. We want the best for our youths. MPA nepia busy. It was yeah. Mom when you do data. Brown rice is a bit fluffy. Eyana. Opensu set as Igana ko bekado yitijimi abrochi so iskafu na water. I'm not very salty person because they use salts to smoke the snails, so I always wait till the food is done before I turn off. Then I check my salts. Asamna practicalmente buono. Mi capite? È una situazione molto nervosa. I can't wait to sit down. Non vedo l'ora di sedermi. I'm going to cover this. I frow. Dundo. I'm stirring it after 8 minutes. You need to allow it for the eggs, to clot before you stir until the morning in a bay you. No, I don't. Oh, yes, ban popo. I wonder why shupelu papa be enterprise snails no so wom kama. Should the way we cry. Look at the snails, no sister. J. Some night fantabuliously fantastic. I don't need salt. Too much salt is no good. At this point, if you want more salt, you can add it. Let's the brown rice, Charlie, voila. You will find an MP in a pia position the way I'm mono. Well, watch a pair of scissors, another trousers and top. Pop baby. As the Akonda come from, oh yezy ban papo. Finally, we are set I say. Oh, what you do, papa. The brown rice is ready. Papa being surprised. I know the way why oh yezy ban papo. Or according to for you fancy not the same margin. So na ye romantic. Shame for this is the one why you romanticism. I'm telling you, Papa be able to give me the thumbs up. And kindly, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do. Na mom do dates walesha sama. Sister J nyamo. Simple. I'm taking you to Naja. Where are my Nigerian people? Whenever I cook rice for them, auntie, that rice is too sticky, sister. We eat different rice. If you want me to cook the same rice for you, I don't have problem at all. Their rice, to be honest. And when yeah, oh yeah, condo, baby. As Naya condo, sharp parsley. I'm on fire word. If your plates in was at church a day. Akondo hwɛ foforɔ yi papa bi my and sister na ɔnye brown rice no dze ɔbɔ gyedurof ɔrekɔdo snails no na my na akondo dam na medze bi aba ebusua tobi yi mehu no na anyen ɔsa wasa pɔnkye nam no so na maho no akondo dam no buy from Hilda's kitchen fa yɛ nkwan ho na wato bi nyina wɔgye dase dɛ ɛze to nkwan ma ohuhuru papa ebusua tobi call us on 0799099727 baby ewo bia we UK bia you be post am sisi Germany phone so you post mbra hon within 2-3 days na won saka Germany for now won sabaka nti ebusua fo won tobi ma Hilda's kitchen na wo mo mbonje do data